Learning English, Adjectives and Adverbs. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we'll delve into the world of adjectives and adverbs. These two important parts of speech play a crucial role in making our sentences more descriptive and expressive. So, let's get started. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns or pronouns. They provide additional information about the size, shape, color, quantity, and more. By using adjectives, we can paint a vivid picture in our listeners' minds. For example, the beautiful sunset painted the sky in vibrant colors. She wore a fluffy sweater on the chilly evening. Remember, adjectives typically answer the questions: what kind, which one, how many, or how much. They can be placed before the noun they describe or after a linking verb, such as is or seems. To identify adjectives, look for words that provide details or clarify nouns in a sentence. Adjectives can come in various forms, such as 1. Single-word adjectives. These are standalone words that directly modify nouns or pronouns. For instance, blue, tall, or expensive. 2. Compound adjectives. These are formed by combining two or more words with hyphens to modify a noun. For example, well-known, state-of-the-art, or 5-year-old. 3. Comparative and superlative adjectives. These show degrees of comparison. Comparative adjectives compare two things, while superlative adjectives compare three or more things. For instance, taller, comparative, and tallest, superlative. Remember, not all words ending in -ly are adjectives. Some are actually adverbs, which we'll discuss shortly. Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They provide information about how, when, where, to what extent, or how often something happens. 1. Modifying verbs. Adverbs can describe how an action is performed. For example, 2. She sings beautifully. 3. He speaks loudly. 4. Modifying adjectives. Adverbs can intensify or weaken the meaning of adjectives. For instance, 5. She is extremely talented. 6. He seems quite happy. 7. Modifying adverbs. Adverbs can also modify other adverbs, often expressing the degree or manner. For example, 8. She ran very quickly. 9. He spoke rather softly. To identify adverbs, look for words that describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They often end in -ly, but keep in mind that not all words ending in -ly are adverbs. Here are some examples of adverbs. She dances gracefully. The car moved slowly down the street. Remember, adverbs help us add depth and precision to our sentences, making them more engaging and informative. Congratulations! You've learned about adjectives and adverbs, two fundamental parts of speech that can enhance your English language skills. By incorporating adjectives, you can bring your nouns to life, while adverbs provide valuable details about actions and descriptions. Keep practicing and using these.